Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. This video is made especially for Reno 15 Pro Max users. Today we will talk about fingerprint not working issue if fingerprint unlock fails or stop working. So if this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon for more useful videos. Now let's begin.